Welcome everyone. In today's video we are going through 20 revision questions on the brain anatomy and its function. So question number 1 we have, which part of the brain is responsible for coordination and balance? We have A, the cerebrum, B, the medulla oblongata, C, the cerebellum, and D, the hypothalamus. Now you can go ahead and pause this video to get your answers. Our answer here is C, the cerebellum. The cerebellum coordinates the voluntary movement and helps to maintain balance and posture. Question number 2. Which lobe of the brain is primarily responsible for processing visual information? We have A, the frontal lobe, B, the parietal lobe, C, the temporal lobe, and D, the occipital lobe. Our answer here is D, the occipital lobe. The occipital lobe is located at the back of the brain and it's indicated to interpret visual stimulation. Question number 3. Which brain structure connects the left and the right cerebral hemispheres? We have A, the thalamus, B, the corpus callosum, C, the medulla, and D, the pons. Our answer is B, the corpus callosum. The corpus callosum is a thick band of nerve fibers that allows communication between the left and the right hemispheres. Question number 4. Which part of the brain regulates temperature, hunger, and thirst? We have A, the cerebellum, B, the medulla oblongata, C, the hypothalamus, and D, the hippocampus. Our answer here is C, the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus maintains homeostasis by regulating body temperature, hunger, thirst, and hormone release. Question number 5. Which area of the brain is crucial for speech production? We have A, the Broca's area, B, the Wernicke's area, C, the occipital lobe, and D, the angular gyrus. Our answer should be A, the Broca's area. The Broca's area are usually located in the left frontal lobe, and it is essential for producing spoken and written language. Question number 6. Damage to the Wernicke's area causes, we have A, loss of motor function, B, difficulty producing speech, C, inability to understand language, and D, memory loss. Our answer is C, inability to understand language. The Wernicke's area is responsible for language comprehension, and damage can result in fluent but meaningless speech. Question number 7. Which part of the brainstem controls vital functions like heartbeat and breathing? We have A, the pons, B, the midbrain, C, the medulla oblongata, and D, the thalamus. Our answer here should be the medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata regulates autonomic functions like heart rate, breathing, and blood pressure. Question number 8. The brain's outer layer responsible for functions like reasoning and memory is called, we have A, the thalamus, B, the basal ganglia, C, the cerebral cortex, and D, the hippocampus. The answer here should be the cerebral cortex. The cerebral cortex is the brain's outermost layer, and it handles complex thinking, memory, and decision making. Question number 8. Which part of the limbic system is most involved in memory function? We have A, the amygdala, B, the hippocampus, C, the thalamus, and D, the hypothalamus. Our answer here should be the hippocampus, because the hippocampus is vital for forming and organizing new memories. Question number 10. Which lobe of the brain is responsible for involuntary movements, decision making, and personality? We have A, the temporal lobe, B, the frontal lobe, C, the parietal lobe, and D, the occipital lobe. Our answer here is B, the frontal lobe. The frontal lobe governs our voluntary motor functions. It governs our judgment and planning, and also our personality traits. Question number 11. Before we move over to question number 11, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe for more contents like this. So, question number 11. Which part of the brain acts as a relay center for sensory information except smell? We have A, the cerebellum, B, the hypothalamus, C, the thalamus, and D, the amygdala. Our answer here is C, the thalamus. The thalamus receives sensory input and directs it to the appropriate area of the cerebral cortex. Question number 12. What structure produces cerebrospinal fluid? We have A, the hypothalamus, B, the choroid plexus, C, the pineal gland, and D, the corpus callosum. Our answer here should be the choroid plexus. The choroid plexus are located in the ventricles, and it produces cerebrospinal fluid that helps to cushion and protect the brain. Question number 13. The pineal gland primarily regulates. We have A, hunger, B, temperature, C, sleep-wake cycle, and D, emotional responses. Our answer here should be the sleep-wake cycles, because the pineal gland secretes melatonin, which helps to regulate the circadian rhythm and sleep. Question number 14. Which of the following is part of the brainstem? We have A, the cerebrum, B, the pons, C, the corpus callosum, and D, the hippocampus. Our answer is B, the pons. The brainstem includes the midbrain, the pons, and the medulla oblongata, and it manages our basic life function. So remember, the brainstem includes the midbrain, the pons, and the medulla oblongata. Question number 15. Which part of the brain is responsible or involved in emotional responses like fear and aggression? We have A, the hippocampus, B, the cerebellum, C, the amygdala, and D, the medulla. Our answer is C, the amygdala. The amygdala is part of the limbic system, and it is key in producing emotions, especially fear and anger. Question number 16. Which hemispheres of the brain is generally more involved in logical and analytic tasks? We have A, the right, B, the left, C, both equally, and D, neither. Our answer is the left. The left hemisphere is typically dominant in logical reasoning, mathematics, and language processing. Question number 17. Which part of the brain helps to control the automatic system and muscle tone? We have A, the cerebral cortex, B, the basal ganglia, C, the hippocampus, and D, the medulla oblongata. Our answer should be the basal ganglia. The basal ganglia regulates involuntary movements, and it plays a role in motor control. Question number 18. Which lobe processes auditory information and is involved in memory and emotions? We have A, the frontal, B, the temporal, C, the parietal, and D, the occipital. Our answer is the temporal. The temporal lobe is responsible for hearing, language comprehension, and emotional association. Question number 19. The blood-brain barrier primarily serves as A, generates neurons, B, conducts nerve impulses, C, protects the brain from harmful substances, and D, stores cerebrospinal fluid. Our answer is C, it protects the brain from harmful substances. The blood-brain barrier actually tightly regulates what enters the brain from the blood, and also protecting it from toxins and pathogens. Question number 20. The bronchus and the Wernicke's areas are usually found in which hemisphere of the brain? We have A, the right hemisphere, B, the left hemisphere, C, the both hemispheres, and D, the midline. Our answer should be the left hemispheres. In most individuals, both the broncas, which is the speech production area, and the Wernicke's area, which is the language comprehension area, are located in the left hemisphere. So there you have it, 20 revision questions on the brain and its function. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, bye.